everybody. Me and Brindley's got to run to Kroger's. We thought y'all might want to jump in and go with us. Y'all get in and get them seatbelts on and sit down back there. And y'all don't be messing with Brindley. She's in her car seat being good. Y'all don't be bothering Brindley back there in that back seat. I won't let y'all ride with me no more. My car holds about 600 people, so y'all behave back there. The wind is blowing today, y'all. We're getting a little bit of clouds. Come on, rain. Y'all doing a rain dance for Texas? Y'all, maybe I'll do a rain dance video. Wouldn't that be something? Wonder how many views I'd get if I got out in the yard and just did a rain dance for y'all. Wouldn't that be something? Y'all had to get a little sip of my coffee. So are y'all doing anything exciting with y'all summer? Y'all, it's just another day to me. It's just every day is just another day. It don't matter what season it is. When you don't punch a time clock no more. Beautiful crepe myrtles. Everybody's crepe myrtles is blooming but mine. Maybe mine will. Mine's bloomed late before. No traffic out today. No traffic. That's good. I don't like traffic. Y'all, I miss my swimming pool. I had a swimming pool the last 2 houses I've lived at, and I miss my swimming pool. I don't miss cleaning it though. I don't miss cleaning it. Street's bare. I see one car. Can y'all believe that? Y'all been on this ride with me before. Y'all know it's cars everywhere coming down through here. Look at that. One car. Ain't that something? I know one thing. I'm getting hungry. I did not eat breakfast this morning. Didn't want it. I usually eat breakfast. And I just didn't want it this morning. It's going on about 10 a.m. probably. 84 degrees. At least I'm getting out and getting back home before the heat of the afternoon. Ooh, y'all, it's rough, boy, when it's this hot and you're getting in and out of your car. I've been trying to leave my car running when it's just going to be, you know, when I go in somewhere real quick and come back out, I just leave my car running. Makes it a lot easier on my breathing. I love those cypress trees. I had one at my other house. I need to get me one and put down by the creek because they love that water. That's what I need to get and put down there where that bank fell in from the flood. That'd be a good root system. Y'all, that poor man sitting over there on that bench, he's homeless. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's under that, he's to the right of that truck under that tree on that bench. And there's several of those people, and they sit around town through the day. In the heat of the day, they just sit on those benches. There was one, I think it was yesterday, laying on the bench down by the bank. I've never seen that before, asleep. I've never seen, you know, like when we go to Austin and stuff like that, I mean, it's common to see them everywhere, but not in this town. Not sleeping like that. But they were right downtown on a bench, asleep. I couldn't believe it. I don't know how those people end up homeless like that. It's not always drugs, you know. A lot of people, you know, thinks it's drugs, but it's not always drugs. Sometimes it's just unfortunate circumstances. Well, we are at Mr. Kroger, and they're not even busy. So that's good. I can get in and out, leave Brindley in the car, leave the car running, and get in and out super, super fast. That'd be great. Alrighty, love y'all. Thanks for riding along with me. Thanks for being brave and leaving your seatbelts on. Y'all know I'm silly. I love y'all. Be good. Say your prayers. Be blessed.